You're welcome to our new channel. Now, semiconductors, which are mostly known as chips, are those tiny devices that enables your digital products to function. In the technological world, chips are considered as the bloodline of the global production line. Devices such as cars, smartphones, smartwatches are all powered by semiconductors. Now, the stability of the relationship between China and Taiwan, as well as the United States of America, is very crucial and important to the global semiconductor supply chain. For reasons being that TSMC, which is based in Taiwan, controls over 20% of the global computer chip manufacturing capacity. But before we continue, this is a new channel. Kindly give us support by subscribing, liking, and leaving a comment. Now, back to business of the day. When it comes to the manufacturing of chips from 10 nanometers and higher end chips, TSMC control over 90%, with South Korea controlling less than 10%. Moreover, TSMC controls over 60% of the global foundry market, which shows how the global semiconductor capacity is dominated by Taiwan and Asia. Taking a look at the current ongoing global chip shortage, which was as a result of the pandemic as well as geopolitical shiftings, for the past 2 years, companies which are dependent on semiconductor as input for their production lines were hardly hit, leading to the downsizing and the closure of many businesses from Europe to America and to Asia. Moreover, TSMC was unable to meet the global demand of chips when the economies which depended on these chips reopened their economy after the lockdown. This has opened the eyes of major nations to the fact that the world has been depending too much on TSMC for semiconductor. Nations such as America, China, and nations in the European Union enclave have equally put in measures to domestify their chip production so as to avoid the dangers and the risks associated with overdependence on TSMC for semiconductor as well. With the current economic crisis in the global market, if Asia becomes unstable as a result of the tension between China, Taiwan, and America, it is going to send a very strong shocking wave to the tech world, which is going to affect the price of semiconductors. Now, when the price of semiconductors increase, it is going to lead to other chains of reaction. This is where you as an individual should be concerned as well. For reason being that if the price of semiconductors shake up, it is going to affect the price at which you buy your car, the price at which you buy your smartphone, and any other device that is powered by a semiconductor, including all Internet of Things as well. An unstable Asia will be a very bad news for the global tech environment. By the way, this is a new channel. If you like what you do on this channel, kindly give us a support by subscribing, leaving a comment, and leaving a like as well. By the way, what do you think? Kindly let us know in the comment as well. Thank you so much and have a good day.